Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create 3D flowers without using the sculpting gel. Firstly, prep your nail tip with a soft buffer. Then apply your regular base coat. Then I am using this jelly base color by Bold B in the shade 3 and 126 shade number by Shills as a base color. For the second color, I am mixing Culis Cloud Cat Eye Gel in the shade 6, Shills Cat Eye Gel Polish in the shade 286, Shills shade number 83 and shade number 126. Apply the mixed color on the half of the nail tip. Using this ombre brush, blend in the color with the base color by tapping motion. After second coat, create the magnetic effect as shown in the video. Then for the petals, use non-wipe carving gel in white color. If you don't have white color gel, you can mix the transparent one with white gel polish. Then apply a matte top coat, cure it for 60 seconds and smooth out the tip using a soft buffer. First step is to create lines or borders for your petals according to your choice. Then fill the gel in the remaining area. And create a depth as if you are drawing a line between the gel. Cure this for 60 seconds in the UV lamp before moving on to the next petal. You can enhance the 3D look by doing a second layer with the same pattern. Then using a mini sponge, I am giving a hint of color in the middle area. Use a base coat to stick these metal beads and cure this for 60 seconds. Then apply top coat on all over the nail except the petals.